Dear friends, it is a beautiful moment here today as we are going to release a handbook of the National Youth Commission. This handbook has 25 years of existence. It will give you a background to the CCBI, the Conference of Catholic Bishops of India. This book will also give you what the National Youth Commission will do within the conference. And in this book, we also have the extract of the pastoral plan, which CCBI has for the Church in India for the next 10 years, and the strategies that we will set for the next 5 years for our commission. And then also our projects from the year 2014 to 17. May I now request the Chairman Bishop to release the book and distribute the books.